Hello friends, good morning. It's been a while that I didn't vlog. So today is Sunday, guys, 13th of April 2025 at Sunday. Magva-vlog tayo. So spring na dito sa amin, kaso nga lang ang weather is parang guys, winter kasi it's foggy again after many days of without fog. And now, foggy again. Ang lulutuin ko for today's lunch, guys, ay Spanish lentil soup. So, ang ingredients ay, of course, lentils, a handful of rice, carrots, chorizo. If we have chorizo, then we have to add that to onions, garlic, and basil. No, basil. Bay leaf, guys. So, yun ang mga ingredients natin. Papakita ko sa inyo. I think I cooked this. I have a video of this one, guys, cooking it. Maybe 4 years ago. So, yeah, so we are going to do it again, okay? Okay, guys, so I found chorizo in our fridge. So, ayan, this is our chorizo. We have to add that. This garlic is from our garden, also last June, guys. And na-frozen ito, guys, itong natin, carrots. Na-frozen siya. Binili ko ito, guys. And then, onion. This is from our garden as well. So, we are using the last, maybe 2 bags. 2 small bags, the red bags, guys. Yun ang ginagamit ko. So, dalawa na lang yun. And nag-sprout na rin sila. So, I am really taking the opportunity or the chance to finish my onions. And then we are going to buy some seedlings as well to plant again, guys, para may whole year ulit tayo na supply na onion. And of course, bay leaves. This is also from our garden. So, pag ubos na, guys, yung dried na ganito ko, na bay leaves ko, ang ginagawa ko ay kumukuha ulit ako doon sa labas, and then I hang it here in our kitchen. I will show you. Yes? So, ayan. Lentils. So, ito, guys, ang gamitin natin. So, bale, dalawa lang, guys, kasi lalaki pa yan sila. And then, a cup of rice. So, let's rinse this. Add water. I normally rinse twice. Meanwhile, guys, let's prepare these ingredients. I forgot, guys, to show you that I put the carrots, and now we are going to chop this chorizo. Ta-da! How I wish you could smell this chorizo, guys. The smell is so good and it makes you hungry. So we can add this one also into here, but we have to slice it and it will give color. Red siya, guys, kasi ang ginamit nila is pepper powder. Red pepper, guys, powder ito ang ginamit nila. So, ayun. This will give color to our soup. Ta-da! So, ganyan lang guys ang slice niya. Kakapal. So, ganyan ang loob niya. I think I have to put all guys kasi the kids love chorizo in their lentil soup. So, let's add in. Let's put everything guys. Para mas masarap. Ayan. So, ayan. Ang bango-bango. Para sabay-sabay silang maluto, guys. Yeah. Kasi aalis kasi kami, guys. Pupunta kami ng Jardiland. May gusto akong bibilhin na plant. Si Carinho. You want water? Okay. Let mommy cover this one first. Okay. Okay guys, so kumukulo na. Wow! So ayan na guys, yung kulay niya as in na so yum. Na red, diba? Ganyan guys ang labas niya. Ayan oh, yung rice hindi pa luto. Tapos we have to add potatoes. Pero hindi na siguro kasi may rice naman na, diba? Luto na yata siya, guys. Yes, luto na. Ayan. As in, guys, ang bango. And so yummy. Luto na siya. So, kanina, dinagdagan ko ng konti pang tubig. So, ngayon, as in na, nabawasan na ulit ng tubig. So, luto na siya, guys. Let's turn this off kasi aalis na rin kami. So, yung heat niya, yun na rin ang gagamitin natin para maluto siya as in totally. Kahit patay na siya kasi it's very, very hot. So, ganyan ang weather, guys. As in na, okay. As in na maano pa, foggy. Okay guys, so ayan, nakaayos na ako konti. But parang ang puti ng face ko. Wala naman ako nilagay. So, ayan guys. Alis na tayo. Nasa baba na ang pamilya ko. Ako na lang hinihintay. See ya. Hello friends! So, nandito na kami sa loob ng Jardiland. At as in na ang gaganda ang mga tanim at mga displays nila. So, itinuturo ko kay Habi yung wood bench na yun guys. Kasi ang ganda. Sabi naman ni Habi na wala daw kaming budget. So, hindi namin binili yun. So, ito naman ang mga display nila na ang gaganda. That is a chopping board. Or where you can put pizza. Ang ganda, no? As in na pang spring talaga yung design. And Hailey is there following me. Kasi si Lakota and Habi, they went to see the animals that they have. Tapos, ang ganda nitong table na to. Pero, tingnan nyo naman yung price, mga sis. Very expensive. And that is mimosa, guys. Yung flower na yun, that is real one. And it's called mimosa. Lumalabas yung flower na yan guys pag April and May. So ito naman yung mga plates nila as in na ang gaganda, pang spring talaga, but the price is OMG very expensive. So hanggang tingin na lang tayo. Yes, ganon, mahirap ang life kaya hanggang tingin-tingin na lang tayo mga sis. Ayan. So, ito yung mga plants na binili namin. Lavender, raspberry, blueberry, tapos, hindi ko na ma-memorize kung ano pa yun. Tapos, yung hinahawakan ni Hailey na yan is for our dogs. Pang-spray sa mga dogs. Ay, bumili din pala kami ng lupa, guys. Para sa mga plants ko na gusto kong ilagay sa pots or sa planter boxes. So, ayun. Yun lang ang mga binili namin, guys. And OMG. As in na parang umabot na ng 100 yung nagastos namin. So, ayan. Pauwi na tayo sa amin. As you can see, the weather, hindi pa lumalabas si Haring Araw, guys. The whole day na hindi lumabas si Haring Araw. Ganyan lang siya. Wala na yung fog, pero as in na cloudy talaga siya. So, papasok na tayo, guys. Papasok na tayo sa ating, hindi naman amin yan, sa tunnel. Yes. So, palabas na tayo sa tunnel. At ito ang makikita mo paglabas mo ng tunnel. As in, yung road, of course. Tapos yung hilly na mountains. Malilit lang yan, guys, na mountains. And, of course, as you can see, na green na, guys, ang paligid. Kasi nga, ulan ng ulan dito sa amin. So, i-enjoy nyo na lang yung views. Yun ang maganda. Ito, guys, ay golf course. Tapos, yung mga tanim na nakikita nyo ay vineyard. Yes, there are grapes for wine. So, nakikita nyo naman na ganun ang style niya. So, ayan. Sana magustuhan nyo yung view dito sa amin, guys. Let me know in the comment kung anong masasabi nyo sa view dito sa amin. Okay, and thank you so much, guys. Kung nandito pa kayo, kung napapanood nyo pa ito, thank you so much. Tapos, ayan, guys, nakikita nyo yung yellow na yan. That is called canola. So, that is a canola field, guys. As in na super ganda. As you can see, as in na ang lawak, diba? Super ganda niya, guys. So, yun yung oil, ginagamit na oil, or ginagamit na oil for cars or for cooking. Normally, hindi ginagamit yan dito for cooking because we have a lot of olive oil and sunflower oil. Yan is just for car, guys. Hello, guys, dito na kami sa bahay at nakapagpalit na rin ako. So, yun nga ang mga nabili namin na plants, guys. Gusto ko nga sanang itanim right now. Pero, umulan kagabi, tapos yung soil is so soft. So, maghintay muna ako, guys. Pero yung mga kailangan ko na i-transplant na para sa, yung mga plants na yun is para sa shady plants. So, pwede kong ilagay sa, pwede kong i-transplant at ilagay sa mas malaking planter. And, yun ang gawin natin mamaya. And now, guys, I started making dessert now, guys. Ito yung pinaka-favorite namin na dessert of all time. So, that is the puff pastry with berries, strawberries, blackberries, blueberries, and I also put some kiwi. Yeah. So, yun, guys, ang dessert namin. Tapos, yung base niya is puff pastry and then yung custard cream. Hindi na ako gagawa ng custard cream kasi doon sa pinagtatrabahuan ko, guys, may paninda kaming ganito. Crema pastelera. So, iyan. Ito yung ginagamit. Ito yung ginagamit ko, guys, na ilagay on top of the puff pastry. And then this. And then, yung mga berries. So, as in na parang no cook. It's not no cook because I have to put this in the oven. This one. So, para hindi siya guys, yung lumobo, dapat iganito natin siya. So, ito na yung ginagawa ko. So, iganito natin siya, guys, para hindi siya totally na lumobo-lobo. Ganun. So, i-bake ko lang ito ng 12 to 15 minutes. The oven is now preheating. Tapos yung asawa ko naman, lumabas siya at ipinastol yung mga animals. And time check is 12:50. 10 to 1. Tapos mga bata, they are asking for ano guys, aperitif. Aperitif is something to eat before lunch. Kaso nga lang, pag nag-start na yung kumain ng aperitif, ano na guys, wala na yan silang gana. Kaya, hindi ko pa ginagawa. Ganito guys ang gawin natin. Yes. Okay. Ito ang gawin natin. Especially the edges. Ganon. Bumaba yata si Lakota. Hailey! Where's Lakota? Can you see she went downstairs? She loves staying outside. Ayan. So pag mainit na yung oven natin, ilagay na natin guys itong uncooked na pastry. So kalalagay ko lang guys. And now let's put to 15 minutes. Let's put 12 minutes first. And then kung kulang pa, then we have to add 3 more. Hello guys, nung pumunta kami sa Lidl nung isang araw, may dalawa kaming manggang nabili. And ang gusto ko sana is yung crunchy. Kaso nga lang, ilang araw na kasi na hindi ko kinakain. So, parang medyo hinog na siya. Not sure if you can see it. Yeah. I am expecting, guys, na matigas pa siya. Parang medyo soft na siya. Can you see? It's quite soft. Yeah, it's soft na siya, guys. So, this is one of my kids' favorite fruit. So, wow. Oh, wow! Parang Pinas. But let's try. Let's try. Parang Philippines, guys. Yung taste niya. Mas sweet. At saka softer yung flesh niya. Yung sa atin. Ito kasi parang may ano siya, guys. May mga ugat-ugat. But the taste is so good. Philippines is still the best. Mango in the Philippines is still the best, guys. Yummy. So, okay na siya, guys. Ayan. So, ito ang ating mga ingredients para sa ating dessert. So, ayan, guys. Tapos, yung kiwi. I have a lot of kiwis. So, pakita ko na lang sa inyo, guys, mamaya pagtapos ko nang i-assemble. Okay? So, see you guys later. Okay guys, so nandito na ang aming dessert. Ayan, so beautiful. And yummy. Kain tayo! Thank you all so much for watching. Please like this video, subscribe if you haven't yet, and I hope to see you again very soon. God bless everyone. Bye!